From the Startup screen, click on Open and browse to your common folder. Open Sample MEP project. The first thing I want to do is have a look at some existing ceiling plans. So in the project browser, scroll down until you find HVAC Design, Ceiling Plans, Level 2 Ceiling Plan, and open it. Scrolling into this view shows us several things. First, the architect's actually made some changes which we need to coordinate our services with the ceiling tiles. The second thing, and more importantly, is that this view does look slightly different than a floor plan. Obviously, it's a ceiling plan, and ceiling plans are reflected ceiling plans. So we're stood on the floor looking upwards. One of the biggest telltales for this type of view is the fact that we're looking at the underside of the staircase. If we inspect this view a little bit closer, we'll also see that a duct running along at an offset of over 3 meters shows dotted to a duct that's at 2.4 meters. So while this may be a true reflected ceiling plan, it doesn't quite work for the way I want my drawings to appear when I place them on a sheet. We can deal with the sheets later, but firstly I want to go through the process of creating a ceiling plan. From the View tab, click on Plan Views and then Reflected Ceiling Plan. There's not a great deal of point in creating one for the roof level, so I want to uncheck the Do Not Duplicate Existing Views and click on Level 2. Click on OK. This creates a new reflected ceiling plan. Looking in the Properties palette, we can see that there is no view template assigned and that the underlay, meaning the architecture, has an orientation matching reflected ceiling plan. This can be changed to plan, but this removes the ceiling layout, so it's not much use to us. As with all views, I can change the level of detail and how we actually look at the rest of the drawing in terms of shading, scale, and whether we can see the crop region or not, which for a ceiling plan might only include the actual building.